No.
Hello.
Welcome sa ating BL at CBTL. Legit.
Legit edition. Back to the Philippines.
So, ang ating story for today, title ay...
Bigay ka muna ng disclaimer.
Huh?
Disclaimer.
Okay, title muna.
Fine.
Kami no Funede, Nemuru, sleeping on paper boats. Kami no Funede. Something yan. Oh, yeah.
Boat of paper.
Sleeping on paper boats.
Hindi, yung actual translation, boat on paper.
Funede, Nemuru. Nemuru, sleeping.
Sleep.
Diba?
Yeah. Sleeping on paper boat.
So, sleeping on paper boat siya. Summary. Kitahara Kei is a genius screenwriter whose models always end up dead.
Ano?
Whose models always end up dead.
Okay.
Although he was taking the world by storm, repeated misfortunes caused him to break his writing brush, and he fell into a life of drinking at black market bars. Then, when he was drunk and collapsed on the street, an amateur photographer, Yoichi, helped him to his feet. His innocent smile, his occasional happy face, and his ever-changing facial expressions irresistibly attracted him. When I'm with Yoichi, I'm overflowing with sentences, even though I know I'm making him unhappy. So, basically, ang summary nito, ito ay magiging review lang. Hindi ko siya masasummarize. Kasi, I feel like I can't do it justice na pag-summary ko. It's a very
Ganun siya kaganda.
It's a complex story. So, ang tags nito is Ado, Drama, Ghost, Psychological Tragedy.
So, it's a sad story.
No, it's a complicated story. it's actually quite complicated story. It's the same author as Home Away. Home Far Away.
Far away from home. Yeah, the
Home Far
one.
Away.
Oo, yung
Yung tragic yung para sa namatay.
Oo, isa yung may inano ng priest.
Oo, yun. So, same author siya. So, expect na maganda yung art.
Pero tragedy. Yan ba hindi tragedy?
May tragedy tag siya.
Okay.
He has some tragic events. But, happy ending.
So, happy ending naman pala siya. Okay.
Tignan mo yung art niya.
Oo, maganda nga.
Ayan yung pinaka-unang tragedy. Ayan. Okay. So,
Ganda nga yung art.
maganda yung art. Maganda yung story. Complex siya. But it's
So,
very
mukhang
deep.
ito na yung pinakamaikli natin.
Kasi,
BL at CBTL.
I can't read that. Hindi ko siya mag-retell at all. May hirapan ako ng bongga-bongga.
So, ganun siya kaganda.
Maganda siya.
That you won't be able to do telling its
Justice.
story and justice.
Hindi ko,
Grabe.
hindi ko maganda. Iniisip ko nga kung ano ko sabihin. Pero kasi it's really good. It's nicely written. It's wonderfully written. Ang ganda niya. Very poetic yung story.
Itself.
Maganda yung pagkakagawa. Ang ganda ng flow, ang ganda ng pacing, ang ganda everything.
Dramatic, but happy ending.
Oo. Dramatic.
With tragedy. So, do you watch to? Ito na talaga yung pinakamaikli natin BL at CBTL. So, sabi mo, maganda yung flow ng story. How about the characters?
Oh, they're really good. They're complex characters.
Complex characters din.
Complex characters, promise. Kasi ito nga yung writer, si Kay. So he's a prodigy writer.
Okay, can you just give the background of the characters na lang since di ka makapag-retell?
Si Kay,
Yung writer.
he's one of the two na survivor ng crush na pinakita ko. So,
First part ng manga, may crush na nangyari. Okay.
may crush ng babata sila. So, that day, his parents are already dead. At that time, his parents are already dead. Tapos yun na, accident siya. And then, ever since then, so he's been writing. At the age of like 16 yata or 17, mga ganun. he was found by, he started like, writing seriously.
Okay.
He's a screenwriter.
Oh, so mga stage plays, movies. Okay.
Movies lang siya basically.
Okay.
He's a screenwriter. Pero, every time he writes, he always sees a death god. Nung unang translation na ginamit, death god.
Okay.
And then the mga kalaunang translation is Shinigami.
Well, Death God is Shinigami.
Pero, may paliwanag yung translator kung bakit
Mm.
pinanta niya Shinigami instead of death god.
Anyways, continue.
So, yun. He can only write because of the Shinigami.
So medyo may pagka-fantasy to.
Somewhat.
Okay.
Pero hindi.
Okay. Hindi yung pinukuha na niya ideas lang. Medyo
Somewhat.
fantasy.
Hindi. So, ganun yung story niya. So,
The other,
yung first story niya became a success. And then yung muse niya doon died. Like yung
Yung-
inspiration niya to
Mm-mm.
write that story.
yeah.
The second movie, same.
Mm.
So, successful yung movie, but then the inspiration, the model, died.
So parang naging curse ang dating.
The third movie,
Same thing.
same thing. So after the third movie,
Yun na siya nagsulat ulit.
so he felt na he's cursed.
Mm-mm.
So that's why he stopped writing.
Okay.
So even though he stopped writing, ano pa rin yung words.
Mm-hmm. It never stops.
It never stopped.
Mhm.
He can't write. He decided not to write anymore. So,
So parang siya nababaliw.
oo. So ngayon, he uses drugs and alcohol to forget.
Okay.
To kind of slow down his brain.
Masyadong mabilis yung function ng utak niya.
Si Yuichi, nung nasa labas siya ng bar, dahil nga parang nag-collapse siya.
Nakala ko ba hindi mo kwento? Kwento mo na eh.
Hindi, may sabi ng background nila eh.
Oh, background lang. Oh,
Oh,
so, background ni Yuichi.
Si Yuichi is an amateur photographer.
Okay.
He lives in an old brothel turned
Hotel.
restaurant.
Clash hotel, gano'n.
Hindi. It's a
Okay.
restaurant na whatever. So still, they still have illegal transactions there.
Okay.
Pero yun, doon siya nakatira.
Mm-hmm.
He's a photographer in that area. So, since, siya, yung unang pagkakailangan, parang magkainaman sila ganyan. And then, doon na nagsimula maging complicated yung story.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. So, ito pala, silang dalawa yung naligtas.
Ay, nakasurvive sa train crash. Mm-hmm.
Tram yun eh.
Tram
The
ba?
tram crash. So, they both had a
rough life.
A rough life. Hindi okay yung buhay nila when they were kids. And then, so yun, itong si Yuichi, he knows that the other survivor was named Kitahara Kei.
Alam niya yung pangalan.
Tapos sila,
Ah.
bagit isang auntie na yun yung pangalan ng isang nag-survive. But he was in coma. Si Kitahara Kei at that time, still in coma.
Okay.
So, yun. Tapos dun na pa, very complicated yung story. Pero, at the end of it, nalaman ng Kay na it wasn't his work that was killing the models. It was the president of the studio.
Bakit yun ito? Para magkaroon ng intriga.
Kasi ang last project na pinagawa nung
So parang,
studio president, is his work, his life. Kaya ayaw niya nga, kasi sabi niya, he's going to die.
pag siya yung ginawang model.
Kasi nga, ganun yung previous stories. Before, like, the last itong last na pinapagawa sa kanya.
Yung fourth movie dapat.
Hindi, pang lima na to.
Okay.
Yung fourth movie kasi, para siyang, ang inspiration nun, wala. Well, hindi siya tao.
Okay.
But,
So it's safe to say,
he was able to create the script for the
screenplay.
screenplay for that because of Yuichi.
Okay.
So parang natigil yung Shinigami because of Yuichi. But then, sabi ko naging like complicated someone. Pero nakikita nila as sinigang Shi.
Okay. So parang may psychological something talaga siya. Pero yung pala, yung president yung...
Oo, kasi yung last model niya, yung last news niya, pinuntahan niya yung puntod. Kaya doon yung asawa, buwisit na siya. Tapos, sabi ng asawa, weeks before his death, he was telling me that he feels like someone was following him.
Okay.
So, and may isang witness daw na nakakita na tinulak.
Yung president.
Hindi nung president, syempre. Na tinulak yung news niya sa train track. So, it wasn't really an accident per se.
Sinadya talaga.
Si president. So, parang yung president nagalit na this is for the greater good.
So parang ginagawa niyo yun para kumita more.
Oo.
Kasi syempre maintriga yung tao.
Exactly.
Okay.
Especially yung last movie. Supposedly last movie. Kasi buhay niya. And then he was supposed to.
So gusto rin siya patayin ng ano.
Para kung
Parang matuloy yung curse.
Kasi like may intriga, may diba?
So yun yung backstory ng dalawang characters, but you really can't tell the story.
Okay. It's really, really good. Really good.
So you guys should read it. Ano nga ulit title?
Ang title niya is Kamino
Funede Nemuru.
Sleeping on
Paper. Okay. So
bakit yung mga extras na ang art ng author.
meron siya mga ganon na art?
Gandang drawing mo.
Oo nga. Maganda nga. Yung drawing.
Ito si
Cameraman.
So ito si
So yung nakita nyo kanina was Kay, the writer. Ito yung cameraman. Ano pakita mo? Si Wichi. The Shinigami cameraman. There. So she liked it. Yun nga. Dahil nga complicated story, but it was good. Ganda rin ang art.
really
Happy ending naman din.
happy ending. May lang talaga.
Kahit may tragic tag siya.
Tragedy tag. Diba? At saka ang setting nito is after war.
Early
50s.
1950s. Pero good yun yung suot nila.
Kasi American influence yun eh.
Oo nga pa. 1950s.
Diba? Ang taray ng art.
Oo, ang ganda na art. Ayun, ang ganda nun. Ang ganda na art niya.
Yung
Ilang chapters books yan?
10.
10 chapters lang.
Dalawang volume.
Dalawang volume.
It's really good.
So if you would see that, would buy it? Is it that kind of good? Na yung bibilin mo siya pag nakita mo available? First time niya yun na nag-confirm siya na talagang bibilin niya.
Bibilin ko. May pera. Siyempre.
May pera ka naman eh. Bahol sabihin niyo, mamaya mawalan ka talaga ng pera.
Wala akong pera para dito.
Anyways, ayun na nga ang ating BL at CBTL today. Sobrang ikli lang.
At saka, kung babasahin mo yung mga,
Comments.
yung mga reviews din,
Aha.
it's really good.
Ang ganda ng scene na yan, ha? Natapos sa kanila.
Ito, I don't think, hindi ko maalala kung nakita ko yan sa
Pero ganda eh. Oh? Ganda nung pag-capture ng art. Very sweet. So, ayan. I will try to read that pagkatapos ko na yung Love in the Clouds, ha? Matagal-tagal pa yun. Maybe nabasa kasi ako. Anyways.
Maganda. Actually, di ko.
So, ayan na nga. That's all for RBL at CBTR. So, kutanong po kayo. Magawa rin kaya ako ng reviews tungkol sa mga napapanood ko na home in progress. So, just kidding. I will not do that. Ayun na. Bye-bye.